All right, this is section 6.7, determinants of matrix. And we're just going to barely touch on this just to get a feel for a determinant and how to find it in our calculator. When you find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, you're literally doing some cross multiplication. You're doing A times D minus this product. So that's a real number defined by this product minus that product. But when we do it on the calculator, we're just going to use the math function. Second matrix, we're going to go over to math, and we're going to choose determinant and put in the letter. Then we'll go back in and get the letter of the matrix, and we'll get a real number for an answer. So we're just going to have a couple of questions. I think I actually have about 4 questions to practice on. So let's do those right now, and we'll see how we do. Second matrix, we're going to go in, and this is a 3 by 3, so we'll go to edit. Let's get it in before we talk about it a little more. So I'm going to put in 2, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 5. All right, and we'll second quit. So the assumption is that you've put the matrices in, the matrix in. Now this says by using a method of cofactors. Just ignore that, because that's what you would do if you were doing this one by hand, but we are not. So we'll go back in, second matrix, go to math, choose determinant, which is the first option, and then go back in, second matrix, and get the A under name. So we're telling the calculator, find the determinant of matrix A. And the answer is 40. It's that simple. So 40 goes in our box here. All right. So we can do that with, you can do that with number 2, and you should get 0. With number 3, you should get negative 50. All right. And then again with number 4, it says round to the nearest tenth. So we want to do that same thing we did before. We want to go to mode. We want to go down to float and over to 1 decimal place and hit enter. So now everything is going to round to the tenths. All right. So let's go back in, second matrix, over to edit, and we have a 3 by 3. And we're going to put in negative 3.9, 5.5, 5.3, 1.9, 2.7, negative 2.9, 2.3, 8.3, and negative 0.7. All right, so looks like I got them in there, right? I'm hopeful. All right, so second quit, second matrix, over to math, choose determinant. Oh, I've got all that business there, sorry. Second matrix, over to math, choose determinant, back in to get the name, A, and enter. And we have our answer rounded to the 10th, so negative 65.2. So I think you'll find that relatively easy. It's really nice to be able to use the calculator on this and not have to do that by hand. We're just practicing. It's kind of a nice, fun unit at the end of the course. So that gets you through 6, 7.